Good morning. Um, we were watching this with me and Willie as it was playing out, but we got New York AM premium session high. We got a charge. We're currently dropping down. I'm not exactly sure if we should be looking for shorts or long. Like sweep strategy is staying short, but I kind of want to wait for sweep of this level. If we get a bullish charge, I kind of want to ride it up, mainly because it's just trends, right? But at the same time, I got this high, this high, this high, this high. So that's literally 3 or 4 drive pattern, right? And hence why we expect maybe a little bit of a retracement. So I'm not exactly sure. So I need more data, right? I just popped in with you guys. Now let's have a look. Do we have any NWOGs? Yes, we have NWOG right above us. Nice. So this makes the shorts more likely. We got NDOG below us, which makes the shorts a little bit slightly less likely, but still, we touched it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Why are we doing this? Like, why are we not just touching and running, or touching, sweeping again, and then running? Which means we're waiting for time, right? What else do we have? We've got Spaceman key level. Oh, we got previous daily high. So we're trying to make our way towards previous daily high. Um, and hold on, let me just ping everybody.
Good morning, Philip.
P. Jones, what up, brother?
How are you?
Good morning, Philip. Guy, Shane, Mullaman, Boone, Ont. Nice. So we got a little bit of conflicting information right here, guys. It's a sweep strategy which is working out right now, but it's coming into our sweep level. But it's also bouncing from the weekly open and the NWOG. But we got previous daily highs, so what I see it do is I see it's gonna satisfy both sides of the market. It's probably gonna sweep, so giving the shorters a chance to take a nice short, get bought back up, and then maybe resume its way up. That's what I see. Patience, what do you think? Yes,
See, they ran the same level overnight again, 73.55 on ES. The problem is we have FOMC minutes and NVIDIA earning. I feel like they want to run it, but...
When's FOMC minutes in the PM session?
Yeah, FOMC at 2 p.m. minutes. And NVIDIA earning after hours. So... they either can make us wait and consolidate here all day. That would be sucks, of course.
Look really
but I
good.
feel like they run this thing 70, at least on ES 73.40, 74.40, 74.70. They can do that. But they need some sort of a catalyst, and there's no news at the morning, I think. I didn't check yet. I don't think there's news in the morning. Other than the minutes.
I think I might take a trade here.
Are you looking for a long or short? Long?
One sec. Long, yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking the same. I want to see 73.90 continue to hold, like they continue to hold above that on the ES. On NQ, you want to see 29.70 and 50 to continue to 26 to continue to hold between 70 and 26. It's far, but the perfect spot is 55.
I wanted shorts all day. It just never gave it to us. Yeah, longs here look really good. I just need to oversize on this. That's why I'm not tempted to take the trade, because I want it just long to this high, which is enough with 1 mini, but I don't want to risk 1 minute for 500.
On the 20 account or something else?
20.
I have an account that I need to pass that has $1,000 to make. Find me a 1K trade.
Right away, sir.
Sheesh, why didn't you say so?
I got you, fam. Alright, we might go to that one standard deviation here. This is a weird way of me drawing the standard. Oh, look, that lungs would have been printed so good, but we were gonna get out here anyway. Guys, I'm not taking a mini. If you took the long, congrats, but...
Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, Dad. It was a really nice call, almost zero drawdown, but that would have made us, with one mini, with half a mini, like 5 micros, that would have made us like $125. I think.
Nah.
300? No, sorry, my bad. 12, 2.5. Yeah, 125. Damn, my math is good.
Yeah.
At the same time, we
5
will get a charge.
micros.
Sorry, go ahead.
5 micros is just any point times 10, you know.
Yeah. Very weird to place. Like E and Q is just so short. Oh yes, this one looks way better for sure. Gold. What do you guys think?
$600 with 1 mini.
Yeah. Nah, this looks way
Oh,
better.
this is gold.
I never traded gold though. I need to change all the settings. How do I
Yeah.
change the settings for gold?
I'm not a big fan of gold.
Gold. Gold is a crazy lad, by the way.
No, fuck, I'm not doing gold, bro. Because I have to change all the settings on Replicanto, and I can't do that, right? Like, I can't take that
No.
risk on stream, you know?
Yeah.
End up doing a silly mistake, blowing everything, so...
No, I don't.
That's silly feeling.
Let's take our players. Thank you, and yes, stuff like that.
Yeah. Yeah, Peaches was his 1K, so of course he's gonna make us stick to our thing.
Shee!
I see
Oh,
Peaches.
Chadley is here. Fuck yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
nice.
Charlie, come here, help us, bro. Oh, hey, I'll crack. Guys, I took a trade on
Hey,
on live stream.
Cracky.
On TikTok live stream, and it just got me in such a like, it worked out well, but I was so stressed, and that stress is still with me right now. So I need Chadley and his soundboard.
Stand up and do 10 push-ups.
Bet.
Get
Alright.
up out of your chair, do 10 push-ups right
Oh,
now.
so you want more adrenaline in me? Okay.
Okay.
I got you.
Got it, boss.
You got 4
I'm doing that,
minutes.
boss.
You got 4 minutes before equity open to do your push-ups.
1, 2,
Alright,
3,
10.
4, 5, 6,
Come on, Luke.
7, 8,
I did 10.
9, 10. Let's go.
Nah, let's go. I did my 10.
All right.
too.
What's next, back? What's next, boss?
Hold on. We got the
Let's
sweep
mix.
we wanted. Alright.
Let's make some money without getting caught in these 120-point debate dumps just to pop back up that it was doing all last night, up and down over the end dog. Did you guys see that shit? It was fucking disgusting.
Yeah.
It's just so disgusting, bro.
And then they ran it the whole night after that.
Something changed last Wednesday. You know, like we've been in great market conditions where it's just like doing these crazy long runs. It's going where it needs to go. It doesn't stall. And ever since the new Fed chair got in, it's just started to go to summer mode, and it's doing that summer shit where it just gets caught in a range. Like it looks good, but it's a range and it just fucks you in the ass constantly if you're not careful. So night, keep your butthole tight. Look at all these, look at all these fucking stacked in-wogs and in-dogs. This is like pure cinema. Look at this shit, bro. Hold on, let me show you.
I did my stop
2
loss
minutes.
below that end dog.
We got Noop. Noop is happening right now at 9:28 is Noop, the Noop window where people start dumping in their pre-market orders.
Nuke? We just got stopped out, guys. The
Noop.
sweep statue is doing his short though.
N-O-O-P.
Ouch, down that. Lost 175 on that. I don't know, the sweep strategy is saying go short, right? We didn't get a confirmation with the charge to go long, but I wanted that early entry around here because anything else would give me a huge stop loss. So I want that smallest stop loss I want, but
We've taken liquidity from yesterday, pre-market, we set equal highs. You may want to get in right before equity open, short.
yeah, I'm thinking our game plan was to sweep these lows and then go back, get bought back up. But I don't want to be in the short term.
You're in the premium of the daily candle already. The
Yeah.
daily candle's already done its premium work. You've already swept both highs from previous sessions.
Yeah. But the thing is, Chadley, is we hit end dog, we failed to close back. We came to the end log, failed to come back. We came back again.
It's
So-
gonna dump immediately from equity open. Watch. Just
yeah,
watch.
4 drive
You got
pattern. I
30
mentioned
seconds.
that, but I don't know. They want
It's
something. The
It's
reason
gonna
they keep
dump
going
and
up,
fill the gap immediately.
maybe.
We'll see. Look at the gap on my picture.
I think they want that previous daily high maybe.
Hold on to your hats, boys. Here we go.
Market opened. Okay. Oh damn, it's running. Oh, that's a wick.
Okay.
That's a wick.
Buy side taken.
Yes. Now it's looking.
15 to 30 points achieved on the opposite side of the wick for equity open.
Looks better for the shorts now, Chadley, but I'm still not satisfied.
Okay.
What would you target? Like the target's so small for me on the shorts.
Well, I target right where that 2:30 a.m. choke green line is. There's a volume imbalance right underneath that.
This one?
Yes, and it's look where it's happens to be sitting right underneath some sell side liquidity to the right. That little pokey red thing.
Yeah.
Little down wick right there.
Yeah. But I don't know. I think we'll hit previous daily high and drop down because all this effort to just do nothing and not touch it is
And
just.
it could.
Damn,
It could.
guys.
To do just some debate bullshit, it could.
Yeah.
I just don't see it going back up there, bro. I don't see it going back up there. We'll see.
We'll see. Maybe just touching this and walk to go back down back. Guess we're a little bit early on the longs. Like I said, when I went to the stream, I'm not exactly sure. This is a rare moment where like I want to be short and I want to be long, like 100% of both sides. So unsure in that matter, but we'll see. We delete everything, so we do have standard deviations here. No, we don't. We got here.
I want to see how ES is going to do at 73.9 zone.
Okay. It's a really bad spot to be in.
Again, the same thing yesterday. NQ is pushing higher and ES is dumping again. And then they both trend.
They'll catch up with each other. Yeah, like yesterday. So we came, we manipulate. We should be going towards the highs. But what's the time? 9:30 is the end of this manipulation. Okay. I might give this a shot. But I want to see if the next candle closes below, but it just keeps on pumping. Oh, it's not going to give me an entry, is it? Nope. Guys, we were a little bit early. We were just a little bit early. It fucking sucks.
S&P and NQ are divergent right now. So
Yeah.
ES is just fucking weak as shit.
Yeah.
No. It's one of those things, bro, where somebody is positioning themselves short right now, and it should not fucking go that high. It should not be doing what it's doing already. but it's going to keep going just a little bit further and debate you into a long.
Look, yes, is going to our target. Walid.
Yeah. 73.90 traded.
Do you see how like we're going up, like literally going straight up on NQ and straight down on ES? Something is fucked, bro. I wouldn't touch this market until like 9:45.
They did the same thing yesterday, Shad. Same exact thing.
Yeah.
Same exact play.
Well, yeah. Look how yesterday's AM range showed. Look how that played out, bro.
Yeah.
Go look at yesterday's open.
Yeah, I see. And then they dumped it, and then they brought it back all the way in the afternoon. One is gonna catch the other, for sure.
I don't like this range at all, man. But now I want to be in the shorts.
Whenever you feel like you want a long and short, that's your clear sign to shut the front door and wait.
Yeah.
And just don't. But do whatever you want to do, bro.
I want to do both. I just don't like how they just did all this. Like it's like someone's trying to slam the door shut and they failing and failing and failing, but the other guy on the other person on the other side of the door is now weakened. So like, why let go? Go to the target, slam it one more time. But at the same time, this weekly open and 8th open and NWAG and midpoint of that N getting respected.
Yeah, it's just striking the highs. It's doing that thing where, oh, we're striking, nope, fail. Oh, we're striking, nope, fail. Oh, we're pumping, nope, fail. Oh, we're pumping, nope, fail. And then finally, after like 17 fucking times, they'll finally make the move.
Yeah.
We're now in those market conditions. It's no longer the good stuff that we were in. It has changed since last week. I know it's a bold statement with only a week's worth of price action, but you can absolutely see the fucking difference. You go like the 1 minute, the 2 minute, it is egregiously dirty. There's your dip.
Alright guys, I'm going short. I'm going to target this 2 standard deviation. I won't overwhelm my stay down. This should get us $10. We have to play both sides, guys. If he goes back up, I'll have to re-participate in the longs. There we go. Okay, nice.
There you go. There's your 25 points, 30 points.
Alright.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Do you see this consolidation area down here on the left?
Yeah.
Like this little BPR type shit. On the left, 1:30 or 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning, Luke?
Yeah.
All the way over. Yes. It's going to target the 230 liquidity. So the first swing low below that, yeah, that red down candle, that order block, bullish order block. That one right there. Yep. That's what it's coming for. And I would split the difference between the low that your red line is just below. Split the difference between that low and the low below it and go halfway. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit.
You're not gonna make it easy. Huh?
No, they're not. It's gonna get real sticky along the way, and it may even swing back all the way up above 29,100s. It's doubtful, but they've done that shit before.
Alright guys,
I tend to think this is gonna be like we're in the area of FP right now, FP forming for the downside shit.
We hit the 2 standard deviation. I think if we're to be done with short shot, it should be around this area to your red
Did
line.
Did you already get your win?
We got a win, $210, but now we're positive $35.
I lunged that way to the bottom, 73.84. Just quick. Be quick, guys. If you think it's gonna turn quick.
It's not a bad idea too long here, bro. It's 2 standard deviation from this whole leg up.
But it's not like clear.
They're debating.
Yeah. Because the next spot is 73.75, and they flush it. It's gonna take the end dog and run down too.
Hey Luke, guess what?
What up, brother?
So you know I did that. It wasn't 15 years. It was 11 years back test.
Yeah.
I had 9 out of 10 or 9 out of 11 years profitable, 1,000 combinations out of 146K, and then 10 of 11 years were profitable, and that was 1,000 strategies, and then 726 strategies never went below zero equity mark. They were net profitable 11 of 11 years. They made money.
Damn.
Yeah.
We should talk about
So
that.
now I'm whittling those down to see which ones have the best new equity high distribution. So like we make a high watermark on our equity, like we make $4,000, and then we start churning below that or whatever. How long between that first high and that new equity high? How long does the strategy take to recover, come back?
Yeah.
The quicker that is, the better it is. So that's going to be my final decision, and I'll have 3 strategies that perform similarly, and I'll run them across 3 machines, and we're good, bro. 18 or 24 fucking months of work will be done finally. I don't like the structure. It looks like ass.
Come on, ES. Come on. Do it.
We then leave an FEG. I wanted to show here with the open this order block, that FEG and that volume imbalance and that sweep level and that end dog. Maybe cash in nice. Drop with 2-3 micros. Okay. Well, I don't know, guys. I'm. Oh, there we go.
You don't have to trade right now, bro. Just wait. Just wait. It's getting real dirty, man. That's that spike above 29 100s again.
Yeah.
That's 80, dude. That's 80 points on a 3-minute candle.
Yeah.
They're gonna mess around. They're not gonna drop today.
Yeah. No, the structure is bullish based on where we are, but at the same time it's a bearish sweep strategy, and I hate when that happens because conflicted with 2 things.
Let's go, ES. Come on. Give me 10 points. Here you go. 10 points
5.
first.
Like, I trust this long. If it holds with the body, I trust it. 10-23, 10-33. Oh, we still got a lot of time. Because we got a lot of targets we can go for. I'm gonna give this a shot. We got 1 TP, 2, 3, 4. We got a lot of TPs, and we at least need. Okay. If this ends as a wick, we're really fucked. Damn, what? Oh god.
You could always bail on the upswing. Just trail that
Our
stop
candle
up.
looks weird.
Trail
It
that
does,
stop
bro.
up, bro. Try to get. Just take your lumps, homie. It's way better than where your stop is right now.
Hold on. Midpoint of this wick, if it starts becoming bearish, we've flipped, but.
This is a oops, let me try to get stopped out at a small loss type shit, okay?
No, I
really
like the long. I just don't like my size. 3 is too much.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Like, I might re-enter with just 2. Like, I'll get out break even and enter with 2 because like just quarter of the way we're already down 170. I was like, what?
The only way you're gonna get break even or make a profit on this trade is if they are actually debating up past the rejection block. Because you see what they barely kissed the rejection block. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
I hate when they do that shit because then it usually just chops around in the middle of this range. I'm not saying you won't survive, maybe, but it's gonna make your feelings hurt before either one happens. Stop or take profit.
Come on, ES. I want to see ES above 7,100 again. If they do that, they're gonna run it again. But if not, they're gonna just freaking stay around.
We've been killing it all day, but I don't know, for some reason I don't feel well.
Let's go. Open up.
This is like an M pattern, I don't know what they call it. So obviously people are going to be shorting, there's liquidity below, so sweep that, get everybody in the shorts, and then just flip back up. It just doesn't make sense to me, for me, that they're just touching that NWAG like this so many times. Normally you just touch the NWAG and that you're done for, like, the weekly objective is done. What it does next doesn't matter, but they just, I don't know. We need to just wait and see, accept our fate. That fill was really shit though. But the candles are just teleporting. God willing, we'll hit LTP, bro. I don't know. I'm looking for at least top of the NWAG. I don't like targeting over.
You pull that stop, bro. Don't get you baited. You can recover from $10 down. If it goes, it goes.
Hey,
there. All right, come on. Roll it,
nice.
stop. It's not gonna hold for very long.
Nice, 7,400. That's fucking low.
Now you're protected. It might not feel good to get stopped.
We just
out
need
here,
200
but
bucks. We
protected.
just need 200 bucks.
Yeah.
You can always get it in another trade, bro. Take the bulk of your money, or protect the bulk of your money. You know how this
I
shit
scaled
is.
out too. I scaled out.
It shouldn't be doing this. There's no reason for it to be doing this. So
Oh, I
you
can't
don't know
move
how
my
long it's gonna
TP.
last.
Boy. Let's go.
I can't move my
Let's
TP.
go.
Come
I'm
on.
manually
Watch
closing
it,
two,
yeah.
guys. I'm manually closing two. I closed one. I
Yeah.
closed two. I closed two. I closed
Good
two.
man. Now let
Yeah,
that
watch
one
it.
run.
Where's my...
Watch.
Damn it.
Protect it. Yeah, you got this.
Oh,
I don't know how y'all deal with that, manually changing your exit orders. Holy shit, bro. That would fucking stress me out. That would stress me out so much.
my balance is 200. Because we're up 35 bucks. But on some accounts, I still need like 10 bucks. 11
Let's
bucks.
go. Let's see
Alright.
if they can take the wagon and then run.
Come on,
Slide
come
it up
on.
and take your shit, dude. Take your shit, bro.
Come on,
Yeah.
come on.
Get the
Alright, if I put it under this NWAG, NDOG, I can secure a day on all of them. Oh, how do I move my stop loss?
Let's go.
I can't move my stop loss, guys. Help me. Help me, guys. Help me. I can't move my... I'm spazzing right here, guys. What the fuck?
Continue to raise the stop, guys.
I can't. It's not letting me hold it.
Oh.
I'm gonna manually get that.
Refresh.
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm glad you're winning your trade, but this is
Let's fucking go.
this is
Let's
quite
fucking go.
possibly
Let's
one of the
fucking go.
gayest fucking market structure I've ever seen, dude. This
Hey,
is just,
listen.
just pure
Guys.
faggotry.
Oh my god, that was the
You can
most
find
stressful
that
day
with
for
the
me
levels,
ever.
speed, whatever it is. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on 20
But you
fucking
know-
accounts, Philip. Brother.
I was looking at your sweep,
GG's, buddy, GG's.
Oh.
thing, and then actually the ES hit the sweep exactly, but on the regular time, not on the default time.
Guys, 75 points. We still got the sweep level and previous week limit and our actual target. We can go higher, promise. But
Yeah.
damn, that's 300 in all accounts.
Nice, nice.
Guys, I'm satisfied. W's in the chat. Where's the W's? Where's the W? This was really hard for me, Chad. I
I
couldn't
swear to
modify my
God, dude,
TP.
somebody is loading their fucking shorts up.
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Somebody is loading the biggest fucking bag you've ever seen in your life right now. And oh, by the way, that motherfucker, dude, he 58 fucking trades per day. No fucking wonder. No wonder, dude. 58 trades per day this entire quarter. This motherfucker has been in there with gargantuan size, having somebody trade for him, I guess, I suppose. He's too old to do it himself and make any money. But holy shit. I think it's just gonna get crazier from here. Like, who knows what's gonna happen?
They're all at a spot like they can dump them again, but if they break it, they will run. ES has room, but NQ kind of like at that level. Actually, NQ at the previous day high.
Yeah, that was my target, Pigeons. It's just so close They just been failing to do so. Otherwise, if this little fella was not here, Charlie, I would be shorting every pump. Because you got 3 drive pattern, you've even got 4 drive pattern, you got London high being swept, you got accumulation kind of style London high being swept. It's not just a swing high. And then you got sweep strategy short, and you got NWOG and weekly open and another NDOG, and it's just an OTE. It's just perfect short, right?
Can you just like humor me and go short on paper, not your 20s, please? I'll do it. I'll go short on paper from here for a moment.
Yeah, I think
Trading
yesterday we went
view.
short with paper and people took the trade. So, Chad, do you wanna take the stream?
No, I don't. Not at all.
Just take the
not
short
even
and
in
then
the
we can switch
slightest.
back.
I don't want this stress of this market structure, bro. I'm going short 15 from here inside the NWOG and the NDOG overlap.
Yeah.
With the understanding that I could be wrong and it could pump to 34s. 234s is where the EVH is.
Okay.
I think that they BPR'd that area already, so I should be clear.
What are you looking for, TP? Wise.
Oh, for TP, we still haven't hit this fucking bottom NDOG yet. And there's an EVH right below it. From the May 4th NWOG to the May 18th.
right now.
You think like that?
Okay.
What's your stop loss?
I'm gonna go above EVH.
I don't know, man. Given that the ES didn't trade the almost high yesterday and NQ did it, they might still fucking run this thing, dude. They might.
It could happen, yeah. Dude, I swear somebody is fucking loading their bags, so I am loading along with them.
But what's your stop loss? Because I'm putting the trade for people who want to take it.
62s, 262s, 100 points.
Whoa.
Well, dude, every fucking 3-minute
true.
candle is 85, 90, 100, 115 points.
Agreed.
Why the fuck not?
Yeah, that gives me an idea. Dave, can you reset that Tradify challenge thing and go short here too? This is only for Dave, guys. This is only for Dave. He knows what I'm talking about.
I'm targeting 400 points away. I'm targeting 618s.
Yeah, if we're dumping, I personally want way lower. I want at least.
I'm up 20K.
We'll
see if that lasts.
Let's go.
Sorry about that fuck ass rooster next door.
Chad, I would have took this too on the account, but bro, that first trade really put me in a mental instability.
It's better that you don't like this. This market is like rage baiting every single side at all times. Like I don't know how they do it or what mechanism is behind it. If it's like quote stuffing or just pure spoofing or just simply like they've now finally when they come in with the treasury, they can bully every other institution that used to be top dog. Now they're just little puppies barking, at the big dog who's basically has unlimited margin and can literally just bully the fucking tape until to confuse all the different algorithms, the short-term ones, and then the main price booking delivery algorithm is just like, well, fuck, I wanted to go here today, but I guess I got to go the other way. 300 fucking points on the day, and then I'll do it tomorrow. You know what I mean? Like, so that's the type of shit that we're seeing. It's very clear that that's occurring. And now you have the, almost done yapping here. Now you have Kevin Warsh. He's been confirmed, and he's got a tough job to do. I don't think he's going to be able to do his goals because Powell fucks things up so big. So now, you could see some crazy shit, bro. You could see, you remember late 24, late 25, the falls of 24 and 25, where basically we would get one move a day. Like it would just, and then stop. It would just stop on a dime and then fucking consolidate in this huge range and just stay there all day long. Do you remember those?
Yeah, those are the best times.
I hope that's not the case. Fucking please, God, no. Please, no. Not like this.
But back then, it was based on our own stupidity in trading. But like the market was not that manipulative as it is today. Like today, you can take the perfect trade.
It was being held. It was being held, and now it's being moved. It was being held unnaturally, and now it's being moved unnaturally.
Oh, you're talking
Does
about
that make sense?
2024, 2025?
Mm-hmm.
So last year?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro. That was the worst time in history.
Yeah, it was disgusting.
I was
And
talking
now,
about early
yeah,
2024, just before
we just
last
hope
year.
that doesn't come back. We hope it doesn't come back.
Yeah. But Charlie, and guys, we are on day 2 on our 20 accounts, Apex funded accounts. We passed it on stream 2 days ago. Yesterday we started it on the funded. We made $350 on each account, totaling 7k plus. Today we made $313. We had a loss of 175. Then we had a $210 trade. Then we had a that was a huge trade, but it put me at 300. So you guys can see that we had about $350 on that last trade. It was a really, really nice 75 points.
It sucks if they keep us here, man, all day now.
We had 2 macros at $200 and 1 macro for $150, 300 ticks. And yeah, so if we didn't have that first trade, the first trade, why it went wrong was because we didn't wait for the time. Remember we said we have to wait for manipulation, 9:30 ends the manipulation. I went in just 1 minute before the manipulation, so it literally cut me out. And then it went to our long TPs, right, the one we wanted. But then it would start to look much bearish, especially with Chadley's conviction and confidence. We went short again somewhere around here, targeting 2 to 2.5 standard deviations. And then we expected a retracement back towards our TP. This is my own intuition that we won that previous day, because it just doesn't make sense to me. I'm the most bearish person in this room. But recently I've just been taking longs, and saying this was just not making me happy. But so you guys see that finally we came and hit that level. So now if you're looking for shorts, it is actually a really good place to be short, especially where Chad is called out right here around the 150s. Even he called it a little bit higher than that. But I'm just going with the flow. I'm putting it a few points below to be realistic. His stop loss is 100 points and he's going for 600, so way a lot of points. But what I see is that if we for the shorts, you guys can take partials here, our target, and that 0.5 standard deviation of the swing, and daily open and the end dog. But yeah, if we didn't have that first loss, we could have took that trade on the funded as well, and we could have made some nice money. Right now it's already at Chaddy's call, it's already 100 points, right? With 2 micros, 1 micro is $200, 2 micros, that's $400. But that's how we're going to be doing it, guys. We're going to be looking for about $200 to $300 per day on the funded, because if we make $300, that's 10 times 10 accounts, that's 3,000 times 20 accounts. That's 6k, right? You're just making 6k by making the bare minimum, right? We've been making $200, thank God, for the longer good of almost since last year, right? Since last year, literally a whole year of streaming every day. We've been making 200, so why can't we just continue that, but on 20 accounts, right? We don't need to get a payout this week. We don't need to get a payout this Friday. We can get a payout. So it's 7 days on Apex, right? So we're already on day 2. We just need 5 more days. And I think 2 of them can be flip days, right? We can just open and close. But since we're doing low amounts, I think we'll have to trade those 2 days so we can get enough money. But if the setup is really good, we can go for 300, 400. And yeah, so we get a payout maybe by Tuesday. And if you guys have one account, you just got yourself a payout. It's free. You're watching the stream, you're enjoying, you're learning. We're not really over risking. I have the most risk on right now. Unless someone, I think Ashante has 13 accounts. He was trading with us yesterday. But yeah. So I'm not looking for 1k trades, 2k trades. I already made a lot of trades today, videos, and you guys saw that we can make 8ks, 2ks, 1ks, 2,000, 3,000. But those are not to be done because they're kind of gambly, right? They're extra risk on. So this short's now looking way better, by the way.
It's just that there is too much risk involved.
Yeah, I just wanted $200 personally, but for the past 2 days, thank God we've been making 300 plus. So I'll take it, given that we did have a minor loss early, but that was on me. I went in a little bit early.
So how much is the account up in total? Do you have a screenshot?
It's on my Windows. I have to get my Windows, but I can see it's 300. They're around 300, 313, 311. There's some at net 300, so around there. Oh, you mean total?
Yeah.
Total about 700.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So basically 40, almost 13K in 2 days.
13K in 2 days. Yeah, it's insane. But like, it is like yesterday we were really happy and stuff, but today I don't know. Like, is it the 20 accounts? It's just too much stress, or I don't know. That live stream on TikTok really fucked me up, bro.
No. That TikTok live stream really messed you up.
It messed
big
me
time.
up, bro. Like, I had a big banger. Like the trade that we took, I longed here, and we caught this whole to the NWAG, the whole candle, bro. It was like $700. I'll post it. It's a 7 minute long video. But seeing people go in, out, like there was like about 60, 70 people, and it was just it was too scary because these people don't know how we trade, right? I'm just going in, trying to explain, are they ICT traders? Are they understanding me? You guys understand me at least what I'm talking about. If not, you can go on the bootcamp. If you didn't yesterday, you probably watched them or just watched the previous session and you just realized we explained the same thing again today. But those are just fresh people. They might not even be traders, so it messed me up. Like, it put me in extra safe defensive mode. But thank God,
Yeah.
on all occasions, we did our best. You guys made money. Who made money today? Let's go,
Yeah,
Philip.
that's what I was gonna ask.
Thank God.
Yeah, Philip up 400 on 1, 2, 3, 4 account. Let's go. That's
Nice.
about 2K. Walid flipped $10 to $150. Let's go.
Half past an account, up 1,500 on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yesterday was fun. Everybody was just posting. It says like, I made this, I made that, W's and stuff. Today is a bit.
Hopefully everyone made something today.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank God.
Pigeons, how much left for your 1K?
No, man. I just made 200 and I have one runner left. That's it. I didn't
Yes.
want to risk it. It was too much.
Let's go.
With this,
Do it. 200, bro. 200.
what?
That's it.
Yeah, they add up.
The other, you can find a better place to enter. But right now here, guys, it's locked. There's something called price or order flow. Suspended order flow. No, trap order flow. So you can see that we touching the NWAG, we coming back to the end log. We touching the NWAG, we come back to the end log. We touching the NWAG, we come back to the end log. We come touch the NWAG, we came back to the end log. And we're just playing this, right? So you don't know when it's gonna really be breaking out of this range. So that's what got me sad. Like, I wish I listened to Chadley and just didn't trade, because you guys know me. I'm like, I don't mind. I like taking risk. When I see a trade I feel intuition with, especially going with what we have on the chart, I'll take it, right? But today I want to go long, but I want to go short. But it's not just like out of probability. It was more than 50-50. It was like 100% longs and 100% shorts for me. So, yeah, it put me out of my game. But we did good, guys. We did good. We're 2 days out of for a payout. So we just need, how much? We just need 2 more K, right? For the bare minimum payout, right, Walid?
Basically you need 2,600 for the payout. So what's that? Like, you are missing 1,900 now?
1,900. Yeah, maybe on one day we'll try to push our luck and try to get 700, 800, 1K. Like maybe with some runners.
Consistency.
Oh shit, yeah. That's mainly why I was trying to look for 300s, because if I get a 400, 500 buck trade, it won't really cause any issues.
We should just keep doing base hits till we reach the full maximum payout, which is like, we should have on the account 3,600, so we can pull 1,500.
100%.
Yeah. Key level, macro, SMT, IFVG in 150 to 200 ticks. Yep. That's it, Philip. And all models print money, just a matter of waiting and looking for the good setup. It's a crazy world out there. Today we have like candles with hundreds of points, bro.
Oh,
Shit is
really?
wild.
Guess why
Well,
I'm so
that's
stressed.
that's precisely how they're getting people to think and feel long and short at the same time, and not the 50-50, like the thing that Luke was talking about is a direct consequence of how large these fucking small time frame candles are. And you know, basically, if you're on the right side at the right time, you're a fucking genius today. And if you've got the wrong timing, then you were just like flipping your desk.
So, Chadley, we took a short and we took a long, and we won them both. What are we geniuses?
Yeah, for now.
I'm done,
You
bro.
can
So
test
if,
that
if
theory
that's
if you
all it
want.
takes to be a genius, I'm done. I'm sick. I'm locking my virtual accounts right now.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
But I'm with Chad on the shorts. It's playing like yesterday. Chad, yesterday NQ was pumping, ES was dumping. So I was like, okay, let's take a long on NQ and then find to the place where we want to short, and then we short it from there and get in line with ES, and that's exactly what we did. Today I think it's the same thing, but that level I'm looking for on NQ is that previous daily high.
Boys, the day has come when Aircrack doesn't want to hold
Oh,
his trades.
shit.
The prophecy is true.
When Elcrack
That's how
doesn't
you know
hold,
that the market is fucked.
Well, you probably should, because it's about to release here for Silver Bullet. I could see this 15-minute candle that just opened. I could see that running all the way back up to my entry, like 149s, 150s. Or maybe we see like this, we strike at 29050, which is about right now coming up. We strike at that and then start wicking up, and then we just grind our way back up to the top, form a third top leg, and then shit the bed.
Chadley, do you want to know?
Oh, go ahead.
Do you want to know another trick to know whether or not they are messing with the market? NQ and gold are moving in the same direction.
Yeah, it's nice. I love that.
That never happens normally, guys. I'm just letting you know.
Look, I don't want to discourage you if anybody is seeing something or doing good so far. I mean, keep doing what you're doing, but I would size the fuck down because, you know, I was a genius yesterday and the day before, and I just got lucky. I was like, nah, I should take my profit at stalling here, and I got out, and then, 120 points to the downside just to come all the way back up and break the highs again, and then go all like 89 points to the downside again just to come back up and not break the highs. And I'm like, what the fuck are we doing? I just had to go to sleep, man. I didn't want to deal with it anymore. So it's very likely that, you know, we're starting to see something similar because it should have moved by now.
good stuff. No,
What I'm saying is that if you made your money, just lock it up, bro. Just put the fries in the bag.
100%, guys. Yeah, not every day you're gonna get a really smooth ride. Yes, we did end that green. Alhamdulillah, but like you can be right. I wanted longs, but I failed on that. Like I failed taking that trade. I wanted short, and I ended up shorting right at the bottom. And then I wanted to go long again because it's showing me that it wants to go there, and I ended up longing near the top of the candle. Like even if you're right, you may not get the opportunity to get into the trade. So stay low size. You saw I wanted to exit at 3 micros. 3 micros was so expensive for me. But as soon as it went above break even, it just pumped straight up. So I was like, might as well just go break even, right? Because I'm gonna close the trade anyway. And at the direction of Walid and Chadley's advice under advisement, and thank God it went straight to our TP. That was literally where we wanted to get out.
Yeah.
It was not really a bad trade, so you guys can see. We took this small loss, then we took this short to here. Pretty much to the low of the day. And then we shorted the high of the day. 153. No, 189. 189 is basically the high of the day. Like minus 1 tick. And now we can make our way back down, maybe even lower than I expect. But Derby up 1k on CL. Why only trade NQ rather than what has the nice PA? That's actually quite good. That's actually quite a good idea. Okay. I went to GC.
Derpy human. Okay, Baron.
So
Because
Willie,
he's
look at
trading
this.
CL, bro.
He's trading CL with Baron Trump. GG's, bro.
Yep.
Nice
Give
work,
us
bro.
inside
Nice work.
information. Give us inside information, bro.
Yeah.
You guys seen the meme where it's some guy holding a monkey, like a TV host holding a monkey, and it says me trying to trade without insider information?
Wait, they can't sold it to you anymore? W, bro.
You know,
Yeah,
I'm
that's
shocked,
crazy work, dude. It's crazy work to say, I'm sorry, it's crazy work to say, oh yeah, I'm campaigning on getting rid of the IRS. And then you sue the IRS so that you can't do your campaign promise until the case is over. And when the case is over, the only people that you look out for is you and your family in some weird criminal fucking exemption way. And nobody else has it. It's like, bro, what the fuck, dude?
You know, I'm short CL on paper from 114.
Bro, look
I
at that
just
gold
wish
trade.
somebody loved America like I love trading. You know what I mean? Somebody in office just like passionate about not fucking the people over somehow.
America!
From either
Ooh.
side.
Yeah.
Derby, is this? Did you take that long on with that sweep strategy long? This is CL, bro. Sweep previous session low, Josh. God damn! And you got another opportunity here too. Whoa!
CL is so
what
clean
the
with
fuck?
this, bro.
Bro, what is this? There's like NWOG over NDOG over NWOG over NDOG. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 NWOG and NDOG in one block. Yeah, the reason why we trade MNQ and just MNQ is because we're just so used to it, right? We know it's this behavior, like we know how manipulative it can be. But on gold, for example, you can have the best starting position for a short, and then you get one wick up, like a whole new trend back up. Like why? You just don't know why. But on MNQ, you know she's a bad boy. You know, at least you expect that she's gonna kick your ass some here and there, every now and then. Yep, we get another Chosh, so shall I take a trade, Chadley, from here on this Chosh?
You can risk $100 with one micro and just know that you could get wiped out on a single fucking 15-point or 50-point candle, or it could go your way. So that's up to you. I would risk one single fucking micro, like just one.
Alright, I'm taking one with the sweep strategy. I'm risking one on the 20 accounts, guys. I'm just gonna risk $100, so we end the day at 200, 210, something like that. Even less. I'm risking like $50. Actually.
Yeah, $50, $100 with 50 points.
So let's keep it there just for now, just so I can see where I'm gonna target. Okay. Got sweep there. I'm making my shisha, so I'm getting that back my life inside my blood. So let's see if we can get an extra 100. $50? No, 100. Oh, let's go.
Split right there. Split the difference. Yeah, between those two low points at 4 and 245. Split. Well, that's right about there. Yeah.
Where? Tell me a number, Chad.
3:45 in the morning. Look at that swing low that we're crossing. That. Now go down to the low below it, the order block low. That, and target 50%. Or a little
Come
bit
on.
more than that. Yeah.
Risk-free trade. Come on. Come on. We're at 400 right now. Let's go. How much would that make us? Oh, exactly $100. God damn, if you just make every $100 you make is extra 2k.
Yeah, that's the power of copy trading, you know.
Yeah.
Slide down and cover your cost in case it bounces from here. Just cover your
Why does
commissions
it
and
do
shit
that shit?
so that you don't have a bad day. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah, good job.
It doesn't let me stop
Just
move my
that-
stop loss.
That's the stuff I'm talking about, man. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Like that's a
God damn.
100-point candle. 100-point
God
candle in
damn.
15 seconds, 5 seconds.
God damn, that was
Good
break
luck
even,
with
but
that shit.
it took $2 away from me.
Oh.
I couldn't move it. I couldn't move
It
it
took
down.
$40.
That's total $40. Yeah. No, but on per account it's like 309, 309 by balance 309 on each account. But it's pumping.
Handle.
I kind of want to go long. Nah, fuck that. Let's wait a bit. Let me get my shisha. Let me get my shisha because I can think better with my shisha.
They're enticing you to go along.
Very enticing, especially that we swept that area, and now we got a lot of liquidity taken back. Give me a sec, guys.
Wait, I'll crack, you made 1.5 just with micros? That's awesome, bro. Sheesh. Alright.
Guys, entertain for like 2 minutes, please.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm just talking to El Crack. Chaddy's inside. Let's fucking go. Anyone else took anything beside El Crack and Derpy? Derpy is up 1k on CL. That's fucking awesome. I'm not funded yet, guys. I'll get funded tomorrow. Promise.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, gold just pumped in 2 candles the whole move that it did in the last 15 minutes, bro. 18 points in 2 candles. Just 4.5 minutes right now and close rate. Sheesh, Shaylas, bro.
I want to long this.
Alright, 5 minutes long. If I lose my account, it's on you, Derpy Human.
How long good?
I want to take 2. Damn. Damn, give me a chance to get in. Fuck. I knew longs were good.
Bro, you wanna hear something funny? Gold just did 30 points in 2 candles.
What? Is there someone who just posted news or something? Oh. What the fuck?
Hell yeah.
Guys, we're gonna
Damn,
go
how long?
straight to our TV. You long? I want to be long too, bro. Shall we risk it?
How long that 154, 150?
We hit our sweep level for the shorts though. Oh, that was my. Why the moment I went
Make
to get
sure
my
you're on
shisha?
paper, bro. Make sure you're on paper, dude.
No, I was gonna think on that 20 accounts.
Dude, that's
No.
a 200-point candle. 200 points in
Yeah.
5 minutes.
Yeah, I'm already out of it.
If that doesn't scream some whale jumping in the pool, I don't know what does.
If that doesn't scream, I'm gonna blow the 20 accounts. I don't know what's happening.
If we gotta be a communist today and just short these pops.
Or we should play capital preservation and take the wins and go on another account or something.
Oh, they took me out, didn't they? I'm still in, baby. Dude, they tapped EVH perfectly. Oh my god. What the fuck? What is going on?
By the way, Chadley Alpha is running at 50% today.
Oh? Well, how about that?
Yeah.
Look at that EVH, that purple line at the top. Right there.
Oh, perfectly to the tick.
Mhm. Well, you know what that means. They're going to go disturb that perfectness. When they do that and you see it perfect to the tick, if this was like 2021 or 2022 or even like 2023, you could literally just hop on board and it would never get anywhere close to that area again. It's just gone. Like if you miss it, it's fucking gone for the day. And I miss those times so much.
Bro, we need to have like squawks or something for news. God damn it.
Yeah, I never thought I'd say this, but I think having a squawk box running side by side with the charts.
What's a squawk box?
And God forbid, maybe bookmap too. Fuck.
Yeah. Squawks is basically news talking in your ears minute by minute.
Oh, yeah, let's get it. Will you get it?
Yeah. Once we get the payout out of the 20 accounts, we should get it, bro. And we should put it on the Discord so everyone can hear it. We can make it as a bot or something.
You're talking about the audio one.
Oh, you already have one, Pichon?
Yeah.
No, I have the one from the Twitter only. This is the one that I usually post all the news from.
Yeah, that's where I think Pigeon sends from there a lot, but he sends it as a message.
Yeah.
Guys, just to update, I got my shisha, so now we're in full power mode again.
And apparently I was muted all the time. I logged the N-Dog, I mean. That was fucking sick.
How much did you make, Pichon?
400 and some right now.
Cheers, let's go.
Maybe they give me the 1K today. I don't know, I'm just kidding.
They gotta give you your market maker badge soon.
But I want to see ES do the high of day yesterday, like same like NQ. NQ is already trading right now and popped a little bit above it.
I want to go to this, our target, guys. Our target. What do you guys think?
Do it on paper.
On paper.
And look, if you look, yes, it went down to the target exactly at the N-Dog, and then it just flipped the other side around.
Yeah, that's exactly what it just.
And that's why I took it. It's like, fuck it. It's okay. It's not gonna be like that much.
100%. So are we all done with the shorts, right? Yeah, the NWOG, the purple is N-Dog. NWOG is green. I have it very faint, but if you guys really want, I can make it a little bit.
A 140, 45 area at least. But...
Does that make sense? I want my target. I want 314. I think by end of today, we're going to be hit 314, or by the end of this session. Shall we take one micro? Just one micro. I'm taking one micro.
That wasn't SW, by the way. That was not SW. That was Billy. Billy's a fucking go. Billy go. Hey, how about that? That was Billy. Yeah, let me see.
Guys, if you have, if you got a funded account, don't take this trade. If you got an eval, you can take this trade. I'm gonna paper trade this, but it's still. I don't even mind taking my 20 accounts, but I don't risk it. We just today is not the day where we should be playing around.
Hey, somebody had a problem with Alpha customer support, and Rip's got the CEO on the phone, and the dude is like all British and shit, and he said, "Yeah, we got them sorted. We sorted them out with a full allocation, and it won't happen again."
Bro, they are trying to acquire a lot of people. You wanna know why? Because Subsep is fumbling.
Yeah, I hope they put Top Step out of business.
I always tell you guys this, and yet every single day you go and buy an account from them. That'd be
well, I don't know, man. I like it because I forgot who said something about this, who it was, but they leave you alone and they don't like helicopter your trades.
That's true though.
And there's no MAE. They pay. It's sometimes not on time, but they pay consistently. Right? We got like 8 payouts this year from them, 10, something like that. So
That's also true.
I don't know. I'm gonna rock it till the wheels fall off, but I think I'm gonna add some allocation over at Alpha and see what I can do with that.
Yeah, that's also good. Don't keep all your eggs in one basket.
Don't keep all your baskets in one egg.
Come on.
Oh, and the other thing is they don't give a fuck about fuck about automation. Alpha does and Apex does. So
That's fine.
I
Without
got that.
engine, you have a stealth mode where you can trade even if they have real people watching your trade. It will look like human.
Not a human that stays up 23 hours a day trading every single day.
True.
Oh damn! This is just paper, guys. On eval only. I'm taking my $309 and getting up. But this, we touched the sweep level. We can be going down, but no, I think we should be going up. Should be going up.
What is the next timing, Luke? It's 11 something.
Yep.
The timing is actually, hold on, let me just slide this a little bit down. It's 1 p.m. But right now it will end.
شنو درت؟ شوف.
We should hit
Which
our
is
targets
agenda
by
meeting them, yeah.
10:33.
Traded. تفرج. شوف. Half past.
past 2 days.
لا ماشي اكونت صغير هنا كنحط $10 كنحاول معاه.
Fucking orbit.
What he's saying,
They're
we'll
ripped.
put $10 and we'll moon it to the moon. I can understand Arabic.
I think they're gonna run a little bit more.
Upwards or downwards?
Upward.
Look how our level just smack short. You could just trade these two levels like up down. Chadley, you trade Asia a lot. You should try trading. Look, this is Asia, isn't it?
Because you see, according to your targets on the indicator, they're showing me 740, 745, 750, and this is the same exact target that I have originally before we came into the room.
Which target?
To me, it seems like they want to target them, and they are pushing a little bit up. Besides, we put a bullish breaker on that big candle that it came in.
Can you repeat, because I honestly didn't understand. I got lost in the tracks.
No, I mean your indicator is showing that the target is up at 740, 745.
No.
I'm talking about ES.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's why I'm like, you're mentioning a number I can't see on the chart. That's why I messed
Oh,
up.
I'm sorry.
7421, 740, you mean?
Yeah, 7440 and 45, and this is the same exact target that I had on my chart as well.
Nice. That means it's just the more the better, you know?
Yeah. But I need to see a break of 740, 430 to prove that it's going to do that 740, 45.
Yeah, there's still room for manipulation, guys. Remember, the distribution will end by 10:23, 10:33. We still got about 5 minutes. But that was a nice save, guys. It dumped all the way back here. Came back straight to break even. That's even way better. That makes this trade way better. We could have had much better entries. But we got this breakup block. We got that FEG, so you had a unicorn entry here. But we do not have a BPR entry-wise. And let's see. You guys can be in this trade. Just an eval. Maybe try to pass an eval or something like that. But no funded. I'm off my funded, guys. I'm ending it with $309, 307 on the summer account. Should put some music on. There we go. I extend all 15 different NWOGs backwards. DK, good to see you. Mullerman, how you doing, bro? Yep, I like the consistency, Philip. Good to see you. El Craco. Onto in here.
Wait, why can't I
Okay.
share my screen? Is this because you're sharing?
I think so, but we can put you on. I can end stream if you want.
No, I was just gonna put music on.
Oh yeah, can you please put music on? That's what I was gonna say.
Yeah, I was gonna share my Spotify. Unfortunately.
I have Spotify. If I play something, do you guys hear it?
I
Let me-
don't know.
one sec.
You have to share your audio from your PC.
Look, is there a way to put the soundboard in this room?
I think so.
I didn't see it in the settings.
Can you see it?
No.
I can't either. If that doesn't, we can just go back to a normal stream back. I like this one because it pings everybody and stuff like that. But yeah, we
Yeah.
can. If we cannot figure out, we can go back to a normal voice chat stream. But
Let's go. Okay.
Oh yes, come on.
Let's
Great.
go, guys. I wish I took this trade on my phone, bro. It's such a good setup.
Tell me when we cross 260s and I get stopped out on my paper, please.
All right, bet. So this is the trade. We opened, we manipulate into our sweep level. We got a charge. We enter the charge right here, and we're looking for a 180 point trade, 175. After 1033, we should expect no manipulation. So I'm gonna keep my stop loss below this low. I don't have to worry about it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Doubles in the chat right now.
Open up. Let's do it.
While we're watching, guys, can you hear the music in the background right now?
No.
No.
No?
No. Watch 7430 on ES if you're trading that. Be careful with this because it breaks. Oh boy, they're coming up with another order.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. 260 approaching, Chadley.
Alright.
We're up 300 bucks.
I just
This could have been a really good day.
Let's go. Let's go.
This could have been a 15k trade. They Walid.
Let's fucking go.
Bro, thank God a million times, bro. I did not tilt.
Come on, break.
Yep.
Guys, we
Rest in
have
peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka.
7430.
Yeah,
Come
I
on.
think about her every time I hit the hookah.
Guys, take one partial here at previous weekly mid. Partial here. I just noticed we got a partial here. Taking one partial
Yeah,
off here.
take some.
One micro left.
I take comfort in the fact that I entered and they gave me 230 points before they did the debate. So, if I was trading for real, I would have been break even and partialed out.
100%. 100%.
Yeah, and if we were trading that on Asia, we would have been account blown. I'm just letting you know.
Willie, do you need to convert Charlie to use our indicator in Asia? I want to start trading Asia, bro. Look at this.
Yeah. We were trying it yesterday, but my subscription for data ended.
Look.
Also, Trump came in and started tweeting like 18 times in a row, and it just dumped.
This trade,
Come on.
this trade, this trade, this short again, this long again.
This zone of stuff here on ES, so let's be careful if you're trading it. Let's break it.
Yeah, I don't expect manipulation, so I'm gonna keep. We're past 1033. After this candle, I don't think we should touch. Actually, that's the time where it's the end of distribution cycle, so we shouldn't really expect more movement, maybe, or because that's not for manipulation. This is for manipulation. This is for distribution. This is times the end of manipulation. This times the end of distribution. Or like when we hit targets, we expect to hit targets between these two. But sometimes you get like a couple minutes delayed. That previous week limit, if it wasn't there, we would be going to our target by now. Philip, instead of doing that, you can just buy data for $7 from TradingView. I think it's $6, but with tax, they will put $1 tax, like $1 tax. I mean, I can put music from my phone if Chad is not gonna put any.
Yeah, I just hit my car. Otherwise, I would.
You hit your car?
I'm in the car.
Oh, okay. Whoa, you scared me for a minute. So deep focus, he said. These are binaural beats. I don't want binaural beats.
Oh, that was a good trade.
Oh, I can do music, I think. Let me see.
Involve responses to the environment
Can you
and
guys
competition.
hear
Natural selection determining which new traits become widely disseminated. Sometimes, as in the natural world, the evolutionary process.
Did bros say
How about
inseminate?
that?
Did bros?
That's
Where's-
called something of money. The history of money.
All I heard was inseminate, Chadley.
The Ascent of Money, a financial history of the world. It talks about how finance and trading and all this stuff came about. It was made in 2008. But you guys couldn't hear that?
No, we did. He said inseminate.
Okay.
Since we're at break even, let's add that contract we took off again, guys. So I re-added the contract.
There you go. Is that too loud?
It's not too loud, but it's cutting out and back, out and back, out and back.
Okay. All right. Well, then scratch that idea.
Alright. I think maybe I need OBS. I think if we keep our stop loss below this low, we should be safe. Or risk out $200. Shall I take this on my funded? No, fuck it.
Gotta make a phone call.
Okay. Hold on, maybe I can play some.
Oh, you're back on your fundeds?
No, I want to. Can you guys hear this?
No.
Oh, we need some music. Hold on. I think we got music bot here. Search, play. Baby. Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber.
There should be a stream music off
Yeah, there you go.
Is it too loud?
Super loud. Super loud.
Oh, we can just lower his voice. If it's loud, you guys can just lower his voice. The bot.
Got some down there.
I'm taking this on Monday. Now that we've got white boy music on, guys, I want the Thunder guy now. Gonna take some off here.
It's too loud, bro. It's too loud. Can't hear you.
Oh no. Alright,
There we go. Yeah, it's like an 8 of 10.
It's
Yeah, that's loud.
You have to buy premium to lower his voice, bro. Like fucking people. I was saying.
We're jamming now. We're jamming.
I was saying I'm in the same. I'm taking the funded as well here for 2 micros. But I don't know if I'm holding the whole thing.
Are you a communist or Captain America?
Captain America, of course.
Oh, you're longing it. Okay. All right. We can do the music. It was just like
it was too loud.
4 times.
How about if I open it from my phone? Or from YouTube. If I open from YouTube, can you guys hear it?
It should register if you're streaming while you're doing it.
You have no game.
Can you guys hear it?
No, it sounds shitty now. I think if you go back to the Bieber thing, but turn it down all the way.
I can't because I need to buy the premium. I bought the premium before, but it was still loud.
There's a stream in your audio settings, music volume bar that you can turn down, I think.
Yeah, I did that for myself, but for the others, they couldn't manage it.
Oh, okay. All right. Well. Philip, did you get back in? Inquiring minds want to know.
Philip says, it was a pleasure being here. I'll see you tomorrow. Have an excellent day. Thank you, Philip, brother. I think Charlie was saying something to maybe answer him before you pop out.
Good job today.
Good job, good job.
Yeah, nice plays so far.
You talking to us in Morse code again, John?
I didn't hear you, Shad. You were saying something?
Oh, you guys can't hear me.
We can, but you just go.
Yeah, I was saying your mic is going. I've got road noise, so I can't talk. But your mic is going. It sounds like you're typing out Morse code to somebody.
That's my mic?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not doing it right now. It was doing it earlier. I wonder what that was.
Oh. Maybe it's because the new Fed office, you know how things are.
You guys laugh, but I'm writing all this down and keeping notes.
Me too. I'm taking screenshots.
Building an evidence folder.
Blackmail will come in handy one day.
The P. John's Fed chair dossier is now like 4 long. God, no.
Come on. As soon as we turn off the white boy music, it just stalled.
Are you winning, son?
Yeah, up $72. Well, on the other account, $62.
That's $72 times 20 is an insane amount of money.
It is. I'm considering closing here, like at least one maybe. But my TP is closed. There we go. 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 Alright, fuck it. I'm gonna get out.
Yep.
I'm out.
Whee!
Let's fucking go. Just one tick away from my TP. Holy shit.
Wally, can you go to the soundboard in the other room and click the Hadouken button, and then just know that's what I would have clicked right now when he got out on that trade.
Got it. Let me check, boss.
$444 times 20. Who can do the math?
Wait, hold on. Can you repeat?
444 times 20.
I
can't breathe right now.
8,888.
Holy shit.
20 wheelchair, 24 hour. You do the maths.
Alright, that was no. I can't speak, guys. This is too much.
What is that from, Wally? Is this from like something Sunday with Ice Cube and Mike Epps? You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
With the Rastafarian wheelchair bootlegger.
Wait, is Luke taking this on his funded?
Yeah.
I took the same trade, just slightly higher at 94. I got it.
Oh, you fucking.
I shouldn't do that again, though, bro.
We already got out, right?
Yeah. I got out one tick away from my TP. It hit my TP afterwards, but and it reversed back. It was another extra $135. Like, if I just keep scalping $50, $100, you can just times it by 20. That's 2K, 1.5K, 2K.
I think that's the move, bro. I think that's the move because I can hit $50 with my fucking hands tied behind my back, dude.
Exactly. $500 is $50 is like 1K, right?
$50 times 10 is 500. Yeah, 1K.
Holy shit. This is all new to me.
Bro, I still can't believe that Alpha gave full allocation to that guy because they did some shit to him. That's nuts, bro.
And I think they got that customer support person fired.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh, that's kind of... I feel sorry for the guy that got fired, don't get me wrong, but that's kind of good.
It depends. If he wasn't doing his job, fuck him, bro.
Bro, I talked to them. There was this one time where my account couldn't get passed because I was above consistency with 1%. I sent them a message and they told me, it's all right, we will pass it for you. And they clicked a button and it got passed.
Nice. Yeah, I think I'm going to buy some alphas today. Do they ever go below 50%, or is it just always no code,
No,
no code,
50,
no code?
no code, no code, no code.
Use
50% is the max that you
use
can
Walid's
get.
code.
They do it every once in a while. It's like a very rare thing, apparently.
Yeah, they only did it because they have their own platform right now, which is like TopStepX.
Got it.
Yeah.
Guys, in 2 days we're up 16,000. That's insane.
That's the power of copy trading, bro.
And if
That's what I keep telling Chad. Like,
Yeah, and if you count in the passing stage, like you have to make 3K, I made 3.7K that day. If you count that in too, because we did it in a row, that's 74,000 plus 16,000. Holy shit, 90K since Monday.
Can you recap what sizes you bought, what type you bought, what the rules are, and then how much you paid all in to activate and everything?
So you guys all know me. I only trade 50K accounts, guys. Because it's the easiest to pass. You guys saw in one trade we passed it on that live stream, and you guys know the rules, so it's like literally the same rules as any 50K account. And basically, why I chose Apex, I really hate Apex. I haven't used them since 2023. But they're the only account. They're the only firm that allow 20 accounts, and I just wanted to give it just try because we discussed that maybe doing something like this would be very valuable for you guys, and it's experience I will not do ever again. So, but here we go. We're trading it. I got the 50K accounts. You guys know the rules. There's a new feature on Apex where you can, not a new feature but an account type where you can use end of day. But I've been trading trailing accounts for the past like since you guys known me, so I got used to it, and so I got those. Also, it's cheaper, and yeah. So whatever I make, so I'm just trading my normal. Every stream we try to make $200, 200 bucks, something 200x, so $200, $300, but on average we look for $200, right? And that's exactly what we're doing here. So we had a lot of streams, thank God. Every time we make 200, so I was like, why not do this with 20 accounts? Like, give it a shot. Like, what's stopping me? What was stopping me actually was passing 20 accounts. It's really hard to do in one go. But we did it on stream, and that was wonderful. And now we're just giving it a shot. But if these accounts, God forbid, fail, I will not do this experience again. But if they win, if we get the bare minimum payout, that will be 15K in just 7 days. If we get the max payout, we can be looking for 30K, Walid? Is that 30K? Maximum $1,500 payout per account?
No, bro. The minimum payout is 10K. Maximum payout is 30K.
Oh, exactly. Yeah. So
what's the cost though? Like, I haven't been with them since 2022. In 2022 January, I made 20K right out of the gate with them.
Yeah.
And then burned half of it, and then it just kind of got out of hand from there. And there's a bad taste in my mouth from the trailing and everything else. So,
they're cheap. They're really cheap, but they're not as cheap as Bolonox and ETF. I got the accounts for $29.
So
29 times 20.
Yeah,
so that's $500 with tax. And then what was the activation?
No, $600 with tax.
All right.
How much is the activation?
They had a deal. I think it was 80. I think I paid 80 with tax. So there was just around 800, like
1600.
Yeah, 1600. So I think it was supposed to be something around 2K, but because I'm in Turkey, I think I was charged like 2100.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 2100. Yeah.
All right. So 2K to get in, and then what are they changed all their shit. It's all new now.
Their rules is just basically don't, like martingale, don't exceed. There's so many rules, like 30% rules. If you like you in profit, and then let's say you have 20K balance, like in profit, and then if you lose 30% of that, they'll blow your account and all that stuff. So right now we're still trailing, so we're literally we have to get to 2K, and then was it 2K or 2.6K, 2.5K, Walid?
2.6 for payout, 2.1 to remove the
To remove that,
trailing.
yeah. So we still got like
It was 7.5 on their biggest account. I had the biggest account last time, so
yeah, they have many accounts,
So
but I only look for 50. Like I don't do 25, 100, or 150. I just do 50.
so your buffer basically you're almost at your buffer.
No, we still have about
Half.
yeah, like 1300.
Okay, well that's not so bad.
Yeah, after 1300, we'll remove the daily loss limit, not daily loss limit, the trailing, and then at 2500, sorry, when at you 52,500, anything above that you can withdraw. But of course, there's minimum payout. I don't know how much it is. I think 2600 I can withdraw 500.
500
Yeah.
is the minimum.
Yeah. And yeah, so we're gonna look to get about. I think I might go if it goes easy, we would look to get maybe get a balance of 53K, so we get a 1K payout, $900 payout times 20 accounts. Or if it goes great, we will
18K.
look. Yeah, we'll look for more than that. But if we're struggling, like today, it really gave me a hard time. I might just go for like the smallest payout because I've never paid that much for a prop firm. Like,
Well, what matters is that it is all raw. It is all done on stream. So this is like what happens when you trade by yourself. You just start doubting whatever you're doing. Like today is a shit day. Like
yeah,
on God, anyone who was trading this shit and won, salute to you. Anyone who's lost, it's not your fault. It was fucked. But yeah, I would say that today was a good day nonetheless.
Alhamdulillah, it was good. Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you go for a max payout or the minimum payout. As long as you get the minimum payout, you already covered everything that went into getting that payout. So
Exactly.
you will end up with 7.8K of net profit. You know.
Yeah. And there's one thing I need to note is that the tax. In Turkey, we don't pay tax, but I think I have to pay like 40% tax.
Nice push so far.
No, because you can count the 10K, you can pull the 2.2 out of it for tax exemption. You're left with 7.8. For 30%, that's like 2100. Yeah, so you're left with 5K, which
Luke,
is still nice.
Yeah.
go for the max payout. Believe in yourself.
I think we can actually. It just means we need to. Thank you for that. It makes me happy. It just means we need to do more days. Like instead of looking for 400
Yes.
a day, we just keep doing our 200. So instead of getting a
Yeah.
payout in like 7-10 days, we can get it in like 15 days. Who cares? We've been-
Yeah, just extend your timeline by a week and you can safely get the max.
Exactly. Yeah. And guys, don't forget
Alright.
we're doing this on
Also
stream.
more content.
100%. Yeah, guys, get your accounts, join us, bring your friends. We're trading. Like I have $2,000 on the line trading for you guys, right? And we're doing this together. We passed it together, so I then just pass it and just start funding while you guys don't have an account. So we all passed together. We all traded together on the day 1, day 2, and we still have more days to go. So this is as real as it gets. I don't have my trades on a different monitor where I'm just saying I'm in a trade, but maybe I'm not, or maybe I'm not in a trade and say I am. You know, what you see me take is how much I lose, is how much I make, and likewise, or yeah, likewise, you guys will be in the same trade. So this is not financial advice, but yeah, this is as it really gets. This is as really as it gets, guys.
So Luke, you are up 8,000 in those accounts now.
in some accounts 8,888 and the others like 8,700 something.
You mean 800, not
Sorry,
8,000.
no, sorry. I did the math wrong. I'm up 444 on some accounts, some 431, something like that. So total is like
Nice.
I can't be bothered to count all of them. They're not the same amount. They're like some of them entered later than I joined. But yeah, total above 8,500 for sure. Now look at this trade, bro. If we held this trade, we're up $300 right now. It was 370.
Also, if you are in this trade, I would suggest moving your stop to break even, taking one
100%.
here and letting one run if you are into just like him.
100%. I re-added that contract once we came back to break even.
Yeah, never let your green trades turn red. It leaves a shit taste in your mouth.
100%.
100%. If I had an eval, I would be back supporting this too, guys. But yeah, you guys should be in this trade too. This is just, I'm trying to be.
If this was an eval, I would be 3 minutes deep.
100%. But yeah, we're gonna go straight to our target and see. Guys, do you see how we changed? We no longer do 10 point trades. This is 160 points, guys. This is 633. By the way, how did this
now imagine that bad boy with 1 mini. That's what I'm saying.
Oh god damn. I actually deleted the indicator. Oh shit. The sweep did
now
1 loss.
Go ahead.
2 loss, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 win, 1 win, 1 loss, 1 loss. Okay. But the wins are huge. Like right now we're targeting standard deviations. So now I introduced to the sweep indicator standard deviations. So our TP1 will be this. So you guys can imagine this would be 45 points, right? 45 points with 3 micros is a lot of good money. Another trade here. This trade. Standard deviations. This would have been another 48 points.
Yeah, big guys.
Alright, we up 300 guys. We're running. We finally made it to TP2. Maybe we should take that partial off. Maybe, I'm not sure. Who's still in this trade? Is anybody in this trade?
I'm still in it.
Let's go. Maybe you should take a partial. I don't know how many micros you're in, but we took a partial here already, came back to break even. We added the partial again. Now we came back to the same TP. Maybe we should take. It's still a valid target. So I'm just gonna stick to my rules that I always teach you guys and show you guys that you have to do it. Take that one partial off. And we can still make $250 out of this 1 micro. That way we took 2 micros. We came here at $300. We took 1 micro off. So $150 secured. Came back in. We added the contract again. Came back to TP. We took another partial off. That 1 contract off. So that's $150 from here to here. From here to here. And $150 from here to here. That's $300 secured. And you still have $200 running. So if you close it anywhere, you should be at least up $500. That's a quarter away from passing your account. But on evals, like I said, you guys can do higher size. Try to pass it with this trade. And you see how we did not manipulate any low? Look how we didn't, not even this low. I didn't even need to put my stop loss there. I put it somewhere around here. All these lows, none of them got taken. Look, none of them got taken. Because we're done. Time is right. Guys, this indicator is huge. Like, honestly, it just... I'm not trying to push it. Like, I'm not trying to buff it up, try to get you guys upsells, to get you guys to sell it. I'm trying to do the opposite. I'm trying to get it off the market. Those who have it can keep it, but I don't think I want more people in it because we should keep something for ourselves, just for us, not just for me, but for the people that are in here that are joining, that are with us all the time. They can keep it maybe. Because this is the actual trade. We sweep and we go to the target. Yes, we got stopped out once and twice, But on both trades, we got TP1 open. TP1 is always the open. After the sweep, you get a charge. You take a TP1 at open, TP2 at sweep, TP3 or maximum TP at the target. Both cases, it printed a lot of money. But that third trade is now taking us for 160 points. 160 points with one micro is 320 bucks, 315 bucks, 300 bucks. 2 micros is 600. 1 mini is 3k. So you can pass your account with 1 mini. Good thing we took a partial here, guys. Again, just because we hit a target, drop from away from it and come back to it, does not mean that, okay, this target is no longer strong. It is always a strong thing. You always take a partial. And it's risk-free trade. Deb, Mullaman, Dave, Ont, P. Jones, Guy, Walid, Fredbot, Chadli. I'm glad you guys are spending time here, learning, trying to make money. Not just getting bored and just dip off, make you money and then just dip off, you know. Because this stuff honestly is worth thousands. Like if someone to make a mentorship or like someone to make some sort of like course, you can't do this because you have to do it live, right? And even if they're live, they will just call out stuff in hindsight. This is all free for you guys right now. Well, we don't hide anything. We share everything. Like we got P. Jones with his levels. We got Chadley who gives us conviction. We got Walid who gives us confidence to hold trades longer than we need. And the fun part. And yeah.
Luke.
Yeah.
Waleed, Luke. One more thing. 1,000 blessings to you and your family.
He dipped after saying that. Mucho gracias, meine Freund. But the important thing is you guys learning, right? You guys learning. It's okay, invest time, stay with us. We don't bullshit, we trade, we explain. We don't hide why we entered or like our expertise. We share everything. Like we share so many things that you guys don't really need us anymore. But I personally, when I trade on my own, I suck. Like I can blow 100 accounts if I'm trading on my own, and I used to do that. Now I only trade with you guys because there's something in psychology that I learned. It's called bystanders responsibility or bystanders effect. You share the responsibility of the others. If someone drops like on the ground in like the metro, and they have like a bottle of beer inside on their hand, then nobody's gonna pick him up, right? Because they expect someone else to do it. So right now I'm doing the same thing, but in a positive way. I'm gonna keep my risk low. I'm gonna try to get the best trades I can. Deb, I appreciate the kind words, brother. And there's people like Deb, for example, Deb V2. For example, Philip, he's been here for ages, him and Aunt, for example. And guy, for years, literally years. And when you say years, even if I say 1 year, it's still a lot because we're here together for 200 days. 2 hours together. So 200 times 2 hours. That's 400 hours together. You don't even spend that much time with your girlfriend, for example, right? You guys go to work, you might meet up for like once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week. We hit together. And they still come in to learn something new. They're all successful traders. They just come to learn something new. So one of the reasons I don't like holding trades, like big trades, is because we go up really quick, then we came back to breakdown, then we go back up, then back again down, then go back up, now we go back down. It takes forever, so I like to go heavy size and just quarter away of the way. So if my OTP is here, I'll size in heavy exactly where I'd enter normally, and I get out on the first TP. For example, on my funded accounts, I just took entered here and I got out here, right? In one single pump, I was already done on that candle. I don't have to suffer. I don't have to say, oh, I wish I took TPs here. Oh, I wish I took partials here. Oh, I wish I didn't take partials here. It's running. Oh, I wish I sized in. Oh, I wish I sized out. You know?
Yeah, that's why I told you to take partial earlier.
100%, I took it. I listened to you. I took it. And I'm proud that I took it because now, if it decides to go again, it looks like it's going down a bit. We secured one partial, $150, and that's not a small partial. That's $150 from one micro. We did it twice, so that's $300 secured.
Always pay the trader, guys. Remember, nothing hurts more than you see in your green trades turns to red. I'm telling you.
100%, bro.
Yep.
That's the quiz. That's like the highway to. That's the autobahn to losing your momentum and getting tilted as fuck.
Bro mentioned Autobahn.
Autobahn. Isn't that a great pool?
It's that highway in Germany.
Yeah, it's the highway where you don't have speed limits.
Yeah. Which chad it was he? We played Highway to... What was it? Highway to Hell? Highway to Heaven?
Highway to Hell, yeah.
Oh, that's a nice song.
Oh, wait, the bot can play that.
He's still playing the same song.
You, I buy you anything.
Guys, right click on his name.
You choose.
And you can
You
increase
choose
the
this
sound.
song, bro.
Yeah, of course, bro. Whitewood
Yeah, I already
music, bro.
did.
You can write /play Highway to Hell. ACDC.
Skip this song so we can play it.
Hold on.
Current times now, 10:15.
Yes.
There we go.
Let's go.
Let's jam, boys.
Oh, streams with music is way better, bro.
Oh,
Beautiful day, though. Beautiful day.
Yes, sir.
So now we just need to do this 8 more days and the payout should be massive, I believe.
That'll be really good, bro. That'll be my biggest payout, yeah.
That's quality stuff. Alright, after this, once I get my payout from my end, I'm gonna do max allocation on my account anything.
Let's go.
Yeah. And we're gonna run those bad boys to 5 times 2500s. And if we reach the max payout of 6k, it's gonna be 30k every pool.
Let's go.
The only downside is I'm a bit aggressive on my payout, on my trading, so I take sometimes heavy size.
Well, today I took so many trades. I could have, like, if I took them on the funders, it would have been 10K a day easily. It's not trades
Yeah,
I
but
didn't
that's
take.
not sustainable, you know?
Yeah, yeah, but also I want to keep the trades on these accounts strictly on the stream.
Yeah. Also, guys, don't do that because it's easy to burn yourself with that type of size. Like, for example, if Luke went heavy on his first trade and he's lost like 400, that's like 20% of his drawdown and it's gonna play with his mental.
Yeah, and I would have to
Not
take
like
two
how
trades.
he did it and you lost like what, 100 on the first trade?
175.
Yeah, so that's like easily maintainable with 5 micros. That's like 18 points, you know?
Yeah.
That's why you should always keep it slow and steady, not do the go all in and lose everything that you have.
100%. That's partially the reason why we only risk $200 per trade. Because if you end up losing, fine. In trading, you will lose. But you can make that back in one trade. Without needing to
Yep.
oversize again because you have a huge loss. Like maybe you only risk 2 micros. 2 micros. Right now you had like a $400 trade loss, and you always target $200, right? Now you will be like, oh, now I need to make 2 trades to get back to break even, let alone winning. So then you get back, okay, let me take 4 micros. And then if that end up wrong, then you just lost double what you're gonna lose.
Yeah. Also, guys, do the one to two trades a day. That's all you have to do.
Yeah.
If it's a red day, learn to accept it. A lot of people don't accept red days. Those are prone to happen. This is not a go to your job and you'll get paid eventually type shit.
Yeah.
A red day is about to happen either way, so might as well get used to it.
Yeah. There we go.
That's what I
Fish.
see.
Let's go.
Oh,
Let's
man.
fucking go.
Oh, no.
Let's
Oh,
fucking
no.
go. Let's go.
There you go.
Oh no, I had my start time. Oh no.
Let's go. It's not closing our trade. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Guys,
I did
double
not
in the
mean to
chat.
put my TP right there. Oh.
Double
There
is
you
in the
go,
chat,
there you
guys.
go.
Double is in the fucking chat right now.
News, bro, news.
I'm having FOMO like a motherfucker. Or not FOMO, but I don't know what you call it.
Yeah, FOMO.
No, don't take that shit
God
now.
dang it. Why did I put my...
What's good music, Dave? You can always put the bot. Just put voice for the bot.
Chaka boom, 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 boom. Damn.
I love NC.
That was nice. Dude, I was wanting to put my TP at 419 at the hourly equal highs kind of. And I did not expect it to just pump like that. Oh, is that like a news or something, or?
Yeah, probably. Let me check Twitter for news.
No, it's not news. P. Jones, come on, you should know this, bro. It's 11:15, bro.
I wasn't paying attention. I was on the phone actually.
It's 11:15, bro.
I know, man. I know it's time, but I'm just saying, like, 11:10, 11:15 came and it just boomed. But I was wondering if there was a news with it too, because the candle was so big.
Don't act like you don't know what's going on, P. Jones. Like, you came here, you set the time 11:15 for market schooling, and then now you're acting like you don't know?
Well, I just pushed it.
This was 11:15 candle, by the way, look.
That was nice.
That's fire. Guys, we call this long, guys. This from all down here, right? We were here. We took a trade. We were looking for that trade, but unfortunately, I had
There's news. There's news too with it.
Yeah, it just sped up the process, but eventually we'll get in there, like with these pumps for the news.
Guys, I saw something and I believe it to my heart. They say that news are just drivers to reach targets faster.
Yeah,
Of course.
It is.
Of course.
It's just a way so that the big players can get their TPs, you know?
Yeah. So us, look, it closed exactly our target. Look, it pumped like 100 points more, 80 points more, and it came back all the way down, closed exactly our target. I don't mind. I think we can short it all the way back down to our bond target. It's not like it didn't do it.
But I would say I would prefer not to.
Yeah, of
I would
course, no.
prefer to stop it here.
Of
We
course,
took
no.
4 trades today, 3 winners, 1 loser, and I think that's
100%.
a statement in itself.
100%.
If you are green on today, and if you have a way to lock yourself, I would suggest doing that.
Gotta, bro, yeah. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff.
Yeah, man. Very
Let's
nice.
go.
160 point trade.
I'm just watching right now.
Let's fucking go, P. Jones.
Yeah.
Guy, what happened to Guy? Guy got us.
Yeah. Can you turn the music down a little bit?
No, click the bot, bro. Hold on.
Can you hear me?
Guy, click the bot, user volume, drag that bad boy all the way to 15%.
All right, say that one more time. I couldn't hear you.
Go to the bot. It's called Fredbot. Right click it. User volume. Drag that bad boy all the way to 15% and let me know.
If you're on your phone, you can just hold on his name and.
Yeah.
I'm on my phone right now through Discord.
Yeah, just hold deeply on his name to get the menu out.
Okay.
All right, you good?
Yeah.
All right,
yeah, man. What I had put my TP. I wasn't even adjusting my TP. I thought maybe I was just leaving it there for a minute. But I was wanting to move it up to the hourly equal highs at 429 or 4. I was just want to put 419, 10 points underneath it, and I didn't get a chance to move my TP before it just gave me a 200 point rip.
Nice.
Or 100 point rip. I mean, I still got 70, 80 points out of it, but I'm still.
That's all you need, bro.
Big wicks or big candles, they're scary at the moment. Like, we're trying to get it out, and it's like, okay, if you don't have a TP, it's not easy to exit them.
Right. And then it just does that.
Bro, I had TP and I still had a hard time exiting.
Oh, Guy left.
He's rage quitting. He got 17 points. His guy is so sad. He didn't get the other 60 points. But look at me, bro. I took TP here on my funders for like 48 points. If I held that with you
Hey,
guys,
48 points a day on 20 accounts keep the poor away.
Yeah. Very much so.
The poor away, it keeps you rich.
Where is Shadley?
Chadley is driving.
He's driving.
Bro, Chadley raged past his account yesterday on